The Almighty God pays us a visit in every ways and form necessary. So I want you to take burial as a serious warning, and the rest of storms that are erupting through the sea right now. God pay us visits through the storms. The Almighty God pays us visit through wildfire. The Almighty God pay us visit through volcanoes. The Almighty God pay us visit through the mighty wind. The Almighty God pay us visit through the hailstone. The Almighty God pay us visit through the tsunamis. So in everything in life, we must give God thanks for passing through the earth. And not just passing through the earth,